November 11th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Nora has a flower arrangement with seven pink flowers, 9 purple flowers, and 5 white flowers. Select the correct word to compare the quantities using ratios. Answer choices may be used more than once. All right, so over here we have 3 different ratio types, kind of statements. So it says the ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 5 to 9. So let's see, what has 5 flowers? What colors are the 5 flowers? So it says 7 pink flowers, 9 purple flowers, and 5 white flowers. So it looks to be that, first of all, let's do right here. Let's highlight this 7 pink flowers, pink for pink. 9 purple flowers, let's highlight it purple for purple. And then 5 white flowers, I guess we can highlight it. Let's do like kind of a, well, that didn't work too well. 5 white flowers, let's highlight it maybe, what if we, oh, well that was an epic fail. What if we did gray? Okay, close enough. All right, so the ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 5 to 9. So what color is 5? What color are there 5 flowers of? 5 white flowers. So there's white flowers. So I'm going to take this white and I'm going to drag it up here. So the ratio of white flowers to what other kind of flowers is 5 to 9. So we have that 5 white flowers. Now what's 9 flowers? Purple. 9 purple flowers. Awesome, awesome. So the ratio of white flowers to purple flowers is 5 to 9. Next one, the ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 9 to 21. So 9, we know that, there's 9 purple flowers. So the first one's going to be purple. So we have purple flowers to, 21. Well, I know 7, that's not 21. 9, that's not 21. 5, that's not 21. So what do you think we're going to do to get to 21? What if we add them up? So I know 9 plus 7 is 16. Plus 5 is going to be 21. So 21 is the total amount of flowers. So that 21 is the total amount of flowers. The total amount of flowers. All right, now the ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 21 to 7. Well, we just said the total is 21. So 21 is first. So we're going to have that total first. And then to 7, though, what color are there 7 flowers of? 7 pink flowers. So 7 pink flowers. Yay! So that's it for our DMR. Great job!